Let's have a closer look at this Western Digital My Passport SSD. The SSD stands for solid state drive. In this video, I'll be showing you an overview on this product along with my likes and dislikes. The reason why I bought this is that I needed a portable backup storage device to help me back up my photos and videos. So you have the USB-C and you have the USB-A option for connecting the device. And it just snaps on. It's included with software, or you can reformat it if you want to format it to a Mac. I feel comfortable taking this in my backpack or along with me in my luggage. And so it's pretty rugged, and with the solid state drive, it can withstand impact. It includes 256-bit hardware encryption. You also have the option to reformat it using the Mac disk tools, and you can also password encrypt it. While using this, I realized that it has a really fast transfer speed. So transferring files and photos and videos over to your hard drive on your computer, I've noticed it's very fast. And the thing I don't like is I haven't seen a protective case for it. So even though it can withstand impact, I haven't seen one sold for this yet. That's the only thing I don't like. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.